Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a couple of videos on making this pattern and then making an outline to cut it out. But I also thought you could actually add to the pattern. You've got our hairline and it's an individual line. Go up to Effects and Contour again, and let's contour it again a quarter of an inch. Let's go up to Object and break contour apart. Let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill in that line. Look how you've added to your design that quick. Now, if you weren't going to cut this out, you need to remember to go up here and left click no line, and then you can always double check that by Xing out the fill. So there's no line, there's a line. We don't want those lines because it would cut out. So we would want the fill, and a lot of times that's not going to work. But this is what you're going to end up getting as a design. Now you can still cut this out, just contour it again. Pretty cool effect. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.